winds of change are blowing across the industry. OEMs and operators are scrambling to reduce costs, fight obsolescence, and return to profitability while dealing with the pressure to prove that the sector can be truly sustainable. Electronics make up a large proportion of running costs, but only a small number of companies are repairing them using the right equipment and standards. At Wind Europe 2025, businesses will have the opportunity to meet ABI Electronics. The company's diagnostic and reverse engineering systems enable in-house repairs of any electronic circuit board, delivering millions of euros in savings to wind energy companies that have joined the Repair Don't Waste movement.